In this video, we learn basic of crochet, slip knot and chain stitch. So let's begin. There are different types and different sizes of yarn available. This is baby wool. It's thin as compared to this wool. Choose slightly thick yarn. It will help you to learn better. I have 4 different sizes of crochet needle right now. You can see and compare their crochet hook. For beginners, choose slightly bigger crochet hook. First we learn to create slip knot. Take your yarn, bend over to form a loop. Hold in your hand. Take the attached end of your yarn from behind the loop. Place it at the center of the loop and pull through the loop. Pull it completely. This is your slip knot. We insert our crochet hook into slip knot. Pull attached piece of yarn. Secure slip knot properly. You can hold crochet hook in different ways. Choose whichever comfortable you are. You can hold it like a pencil at the flat part of your crochet hook. Or you can hold it like a knife. I hold it like a knife. Now how to hold your yarn. For that, wrap some yarn around your index finger 2-3 times and hold near slip knot with thumb and middle finger. Keep some space between yarn and slip knot. Do not hold too close so it will be difficult to crochet. Now we start creating chain stitches. Wrap your yarn around the hook. Grab your yarn with your crochet hook and pull through the loop. Wrap your yarn around the hook. Grab the yarn with crochet hook and pull through the loop. As the process continues, we have to wrap and unwrap yarn from our index finger. So as in crochet terminology we say yarn over and yarn over and pull through the loop. Move your thumb and middle finger along the chain. This helps to keep the tension. As you can see, chain stitches are formed. This is upper loop and this is lower loop. We can count the chain stitches: 1, 2, 3, 4. To continue, just insert your hook in the loop, wrap your yarn around your index finger and continue.